Welcome to the world of modern vegetable gardening. Growing your own food is rewarding. It helps the planet. It's also easier than you think. This guide will teach you new methods. You will learn how to grow healthy and delicious vegetables. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a modern vegetable grower. Modern techniques make gardening easier. There are better tools and methods now. These help us grow more food in smaller spaces. This is important for sustainable living. We can reduce food waste, plus we know what is going into our food. Join us and discover the future of food. The first step is preparing your garden bed. This is where your vegetables will grow. Choose a sunny spot. Vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Clear the area of weeds and grass. They compete with your vegetables for nutrients. You will need some basic tools. A shovel helps you dig. A rake is used for smoothing the soil. A garden fork is great for turning the soil. These tools make preparing your garden bed easy. Soil is the heart of your garden. Healthy soil grows healthy vegetables. There are different types of soil. Sandy soil drains quickly. Clay soil holds water. Loam is a good balance of both. You can test your soil. This tells you what nutrients it needs. Adding compost is beneficial. It adds nutrients and improves soil structure. Healthy soil is key to successful vegetable gardening. Choosing the right seeds is exciting. Consider your climate and soil. Some vegetables prefer cool weather, others thrive in heat. Read seed packets carefully. Look for disease-resistant varieties. This can save you trouble later. Start with easy-to-grow vegetables. Lettuce, radishes, and beans are good choices. Selecting the right seeds sets you up for success. Now it's time to plant. Planting depth and spacing are important. Follow the instructions on the seed packet. Some seeds need to be sown directly into the soil. Others need to be started indoors. This is called seed starting. Companion planting is a great technique. It involves planting different vegetables together. Some combinations help each other grow. Planting with purpose maximizes your harvest. Water is essential for plant growth. Consistent watering is crucial, especially for seedlings. Water deeply but infrequently. This encourages strong root development. Drip irrigation is a great option. It delivers water directly to the roots. Soaker hoses and sprinklers work well too. Observe your plants water when the soil is dry to the touch. Pests can damage your crops, but there are natural ways to control them. Companion planting helps deter pests. For example, marigolds repel certain insects, encourage beneficial insects like ladybugs. They eat harmful pests. Use organic pest control methods if needed. Protecting your harvest naturally ensures healthy food. Harvesting is the most rewarding part. Knowing when to harvest is important. Different vegetables have different harvest times. Tomatoes are picked when they are red. Carrots are ready when their tops are visible. Harvest regularly to encourage more growth. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Freshly picked vegetables taste amazing. Congratulations, you now have the knowledge to start your own vegetable garden. Remember, gardening is a journey. Learn from your experiences. Don't be afraid to experiment. Every season brings new opportunities to grow. By using modern techniques, you are contributing to a greener future. Start planting today and enjoy the rewards of modern vegetable gardening.